Sure you feel.
Okay, now I'll pay attention.
Actually, let's spin the box a little bit.
Mm.
Why kittens? Why? What do you want, kittens? This is a box in another box. Can you believe it? So I guess I should do this. Wow. Go away,
I think they only care about the box. They don't care about this one.
Go, Kiki, go. And of course, Mimi wants to piss in it. Sure. So what's going on here? This is what Chinese, I guess. Jungkook. This says here in Polish too. In Arabic, in Japanese, they sell it in many countries. This one. What kind of accessories?
Or will bite that plastic.
Wow. Ah, this one is the steam one, right? It's with steam, right?
I don't know, but I don't think so.
Ah, look, this is the air filter here. 2 in 1. It's with no, it's not with steam, but it might be. Why is it 2 in 1?
This one you can use it with the bed, for the bed sheet and sofa and something like that. And this one for the
thing
floor.
is, if it's 2 in 1, it means that it has some functions. And these ones are here, I'm guessing. You think? Yeah. This one you put it here, just like so, and then the other one here. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's plug it in. This is another thing that you put here. Okay, let's plug it in. Plug it in here, right? Oh! It was on. Let me take this one off because it's a little bit uncomfortable. Let me see. Wow, it looks so much air. Wow, it's very powerful. It got a little bit hot. There's so much air. Let's take a picture. Look at it. And let me... And here is gonna be... The thing is, where will all the rubbish go? Here?
Maybe, I don't know.
So crazy. 400 watts. That's pretty much it, baby, right?
Okay.